Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Maybe say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can continue to hold up here above $3.55. Don't get me wrong though, if the price falls below $3.55, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $3.55, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that would be down here right around where the price opened, and that is at $3.35. So that makes it easy. $3.55, $3.35, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the overall health of the price movement. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Once more, sure, staying above 355 would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are currently hanging out at, majority seem to be right up here around $3.75. So $3.75 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice move today from the bullish point of view. So now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.